What did you find? Daddy's guitars. Oh, which one do you like better? I think you like the shiny one. Are you playing a song for Daddy? Oh, nice strumming, mister. Nice strumming. What song are you going to play for? A bluegrass one? Play us a country tune. Oh, concert's over. Coming through. Don't mind me. Toilet break. Sorry, everyone. Intermission.